Sweet potato fry. Let's make a healthy dish with sweet potato. Welcome to my channel Madhura Smriti. Cook healthy, eat healthy and stay healthy. Take 250 grams of sweet potato. Wash them thoroughly till you get clear water. And now cut into thin slices and put it into the salt water immediately to prevent oxidation. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil and add the seasoning ingredients: half teaspoon mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chana dal and urad dal. Fry them on a low flame till they turn aromatic to a light brown color. Now add 1 split red chilies, a few curry leaves and 2 chopped green chilies and fry for a minute. Now remove sweet potato slices from the water, strain to remove the excess water and add to the seasoning. Now fry on the low flame for about 5 minutes. Add little salt or as per the taste and a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix well and stir fry for about 5 minutes on low flame. Sweet potato is the most versatile and nutrient-dense root vegetable. It has good source of fiber which contain both soluble and insoluble fiber that help in digestion and also prevent constipation. The antioxidants improve digestion and also good for reducing the risk of diabetes and colon cancer. It has a complex carbohydrate and low glycemic index and takes longer time to digest, results in a feeling of fullness for a longer period, and also controls the blood sugar level. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, carotenoids and phenylpropanoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and protect against inflammatory conditions like arthritis and also lowers the risk of cancer. Vitamin A protects your eyes and beta-carotene prevents macular degeneration, which is the leading cause of vision loss. Sweet potato is fried well. Now add half to 1 teaspoon of red chili powder as per your taste and half teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well and switch off the flame. Sweet potato fry is ready to serve. Serve as a side dish or enjoy as a evening snack. Sweet potato rich in vitamin B6 and potassium, sodium, improves your brain function and keeps heart healthy. Rich in antioxidants, acts as an immunity booster, nutrition powerhouse that can transform your health. Try this healthy recipe. If you like this video, please share with your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.